Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's nice having you back. In case you're joining me for the first time, my name is Marifat Dambola, and in this video I will be talking about how to get rich 2021. And this video is affiliated to the one I did previously, which was conquering poverty. So I thought I should be able to expatiate more about how to get rich, how you can get rich, really rich, and the procedures. So I want you all to sit back and enjoy this video. So firstly, I want you all to know that before success can come in anything, in every aspect in life, you need to have something done. You can't just sleep at home and expect you to be rich overnight. It's not happening. Even those that are having something to do, or they have something that is bringing them money, they are not sitting back. They keep on moving and moving and moving and moving until they get what they want. Even when they get it, they keep on moving and moving in order to sustain what they have gained. So firstly, I would like to say that before you can get rich, you need to have something doing. Either you are entrepreneur, you are into entrepreneur, you are a businesswoman, you are an office worker, you need to have something doing that is bringing you a source of income. You need to have that thing that is bringing you money. So from what you are getting every day, either daily or monthly, then you start saving from it for another thing. Maybe you want to have a house, or you want to own a house first. Maybe you need to start saving up to get land and all. And this whole thing is all a gradual process. It has to come gradually. It's not always coming just once. And for the fact that you are just saving and getting all this money, you need to give yourself time for it to breed. So as time goes by, either you're a monthly earner or you are a daily earner, per day from what you've sold, you need to at least save part of it from the profit you had. Save some of it. You should know it won't affect your business at the end of the day. So you need to start saving little by little, little by little. So a drop of water, each drop of water can also make an ocean. So if you have that belief that as you're saving up, you can get more from it, then you are good to go. So aside from that, the money you are saving, and if you think it is enough for what you want to do at that particular time, you get a land. If you want to have another side also, like owning a car for Uber, or maybe at your weekend time you feel you can use this Uber, you can register your car with Uber and or Bolt or this online transport, then you can start making money from it. Either weekends you really want to, you have that time, you can start making money from it. So by doing this, you have more and more money. At least gradually your money is multiplying from what you are saving. So along the line, you will always have challenges that are falling back. Maybe at some point your car is not working, or maybe what you're saving up, you didn't get money at that time. You don't need to panic. You need to have the optimistic in you that it's going to happen gradually. So aside from that, if you have another thing you have in mind, or maybe you want to set up a business, or you want to have a chips business, or you want to sell designer wares and all, you need to save up for it at least to start moving the business. So as you are having this profit in the business, or maybe you start making this money from this business you are doing, you started seeing profit from it, so also save that up too. You can also be saving that for another thing aside. Maybe you want to start investing in landed properties. Maybe you want to start saving up for you having a land, or you want to buy a house. In other cases, maybe you want to build a house in order to give it out for rent, and you feel this is the business that you can handle. You can also go for it. Gradually you have two businesses. If you are very good at saving, you have two businesses with you, so then you can start saving for that too in order to get it. So gradually, even when you start making money, you can leave your previous job. Maybe you're an office worker and you feel this the money you've acquired, or the money you have outside, is enough for you. You can quit the job and start facing other businesses if you think these are yielding very well for you. And if you think you still need more time for you to get more money from what you are doing in order to sustain the others, of course you can do it. So gradually, as you are giving yourself time to grow, you surely get there. By the time you know it, you will know your money is multiplying and multiplying and multiplying before you know it. Mind you, there is no business you can start with zero money. At least if you start with just a little money, and by the time it is progressing, you are making money from it. So definitely you are making progress. So how to get rich is very easy, but you need to plan yourself. Have a dream that yes, this is what I want to do, this is what I want to set for myself, and how of course you will get there. So we need to start saving up. Firstly, save up and have that mindset that yes, I want to do this, I want to do that, I want to keep my money for this, I want to keep my money, and have that hard heart that yes, you need to do this, I need to succeed, I need to make it. So you should definitely make it. So step by step, you need to gradually make progress, and definitely you will get there. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. I want you all to keep subscribing, like, and leave your comments in the comment section. That is the only way you can use in communicating me. And if there is any other topic you would like me to talk about, please leave it in the comment section. Of course, I will attend to them, obviously. So please, I want you all to keep on following the channel. That is the only way that can keep me all going and going each time I know I'm having feedback from my audience. Thank you all. See you next time. Bye.